Google or Microsoft? Which is the best stock for a long-term investment? Let's start to understand how Google business works.
The problem with Alphabet is here, guys. We generate more than 75% of total revenue from online advertising. Alphabet business is depending from Google business, which is depending from the advertising. If I go on Google today because I'm looking for Nike shoes, Nike is paying Google, as you can see sponsored, to put their website on the top. If we click on one of these links, the company pay Google and Google gain money. What Google tried to do in all this year was to optimizing our experiences, because of course if Google puts some link in this page and if the customer click on this link, they earn money. The goal for Google is to keep me on Google as much as possible. Something is changing talking about the web, talking about internet, because as you probably know, OpenAI released Search GPT. OpenAI fires shot at Google with AI-powered Search GPT. The world is changing, guys, very quickly, because thanks to artificial intelligence, we can search what we are searching on the internet, but in a very more efficient way, because the goal now for Google is to keep me on the Google page, because if I click many times on this link, they earn more money. But what happens in the long run if everybody will switch and we go to a different model of searching, which could be based on artificial intelligence, that for example, has no advertising, because I pay a fee every month to use that software, as OpenAI is doing today with ChatGPT. This can change everything regarding the search business, which is what make Google so big and so profitable.
Do you think it's impossible? Actually, something is already happening.
Google is not taking us anymore to an external website, but show us what we call a widget, which is the information, the exact information we are looking for, but they give us directly on this page, because people would like to do everything very quickly. If just 1 or 2 years ago the job of Google was to give us a website where we can find the weather tomorrow in New York City, they already understood that people doesn't want anymore to go on a website, but they would like to have directly the information they are looking for. And this is why they created the widget. Website doesn't like the widget, because in this case, they get the information from weather.com, but the user doesn't go on weather.com. Do you think that weather.com is happy that Google is stealing their data and the customer doesn't go on the website? I can tell you no. And this kind of behavior will change everything about the internet industry, because people tend to search for instant content, instant information.
So, Google or Microsoft, which is the best choice for the future?
I can definitely say that Microsoft is a better investment in the long run, because Microsoft is very diversified. Today is much more better to invest in Microsoft, because Google could be at a very important turning point, which is the changing in search behavior.
If you like this video, it's an extract of our weekly webinar. You can join the webinar for free, you can find the link in the description. It's a webinar where we share our best trading and investment ideas. If you join live, you can chat with me, but if you have something else to do, you can register and we send you the recording.